South Korea's steel industry, often referred to as the rice of industry, is facing a severe downturn. Major steel companies are closing factories one after another, heavily impacted by the influx of cheap steel products from China. This has sent shockwaves through local economies where these factories are located. POSCO's Wire Rod Plant 1, which had been producing steel products for over 45 years, shut down on November 19, with all machinery grinding to a halt. The factory now holds piles of unsold steel wire as inventory. This closure follows the shutdown of POSCO's Pohang Steel Plant 1 in July, marking the company's second major production facility closure this year. Nearby, Hyundai Steel's Pohang Plant 2 has also recently ceased operations. Around 400 employees from these companies are being relocated to other facilities, but the ripple effects are being felt far and wide. The closures stem from a sluggish domestic market and China's oversupply of steel, which is being exported at dirt-cheap prices. Last year, imports of Chinese steel products rose by nearly 30% compared to the previous year. As a result, South Korea's steel production this year hit its lowest level in 14 years. The closures have hit not only the steel companies but also their subcontractors and local economies. Signs encouraging the steel industry can be seen around towns, but restaurants and businesses near factory districts remain eerily empty even during peak hours. Adding to the challenges, South Korea's steel industry has been grappling with a quota system for exports to the U.S. since the Trump administration, which limits the volume of steel they can sell. With the current administration signaling even stricter protectionist policies, concerns are growing that these quotas may tighten further, exacerbating the industry's troubles. Pohang City is calling on the government for emergency measures, including subsidies and electricity rate cuts, to help the steel industry weather this crisis.